follow the course of the road. Where does it go?
Where does it go? It goes left, does it? Yeah.
Okay. Good. Think about your visibility. Excellent. Yeah, just take it slow. No problem. Good. Do we have to give way to that pedestrian?
No.
No. Why?
Yeah.
What type of road are we on?
Continuing
road, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to give way to them. Keep on your side. Good. Remember, so the reason, why are we doing this? Why are we taking it slow? Why are we keeping to our side?
Because people
come flying
through.
around that
Yeah.
corner, and then they cut the bend and they get in your way. Good. Now, if you're going slower, you've got more time to react.
Yeah.
Good.
It's definitely happened even when we were on a lesson where someone just came barreling around the corner.
Correct. Exactly. Excellent. Good work. Yeah, so just about take it slow, keeping it on your side. If they're coming around fast, you don't want to be going fast. You can't fight fire with fire.
Yeah.
Next street, turn right.